How to use Zoom. What is Zoom? We use Zoom to join meetings on the computer or on the phone. How to use Zoom on the computer. First, open your email and find the Zoom invitation. Sign in to your email account. Enter your password and click Next. You see this, a Zoom email invite. Click on it. Here is the Zoom invitation to a meeting. It says here, Monday meetups. When is the meeting? May 31st, 2021. What time is the meeting? It's at 11 o'clock a.m. Now here, we can join the Zoom meeting. To join the Zoom meeting, click on the Zoom link. What is the Zoom link? Here. This is the Zoom link. This is how we go to the Zoom meeting on the computer. Click on the Zoom link. You see this. Here, click Open. You see this. Please wait. The meeting host will let you in soon. So you wait. Waiting for the host to let you into the meeting. You're connected. Click here to turn your microphone on and off so others can hear you. Click here to turn your video on and off so others can see you. When the meeting is finished, click the red box to leave the meeting. Click Leave. No Zoom on your computer? Download it. Go to your Zoom invite in your email. Here it is. Click on it. In the Zoom invite, you can see here, Join Zoom Meeting. Here is the link to join the meeting. Click on the Zoom link. Here, you click Download Now to download Zoom. You will see this. You will also see this. Zoom is being installed. Here, enter your name. Put your name here. Then, click this blue Join Meeting button. You will see this, the video preview. Click the blue Join with Video button. Others will be able to see you. Or you don't want others to see you? Then click Join without video. You see this. Please wait. The meeting host will let you in soon. Wait for the host to let you in. Waiting, waiting, wait for the host. You see this. Click the blue Join with Computer Audio. You're connected. Click here to turn your microphone on and off so others can hear you. Click here to turn your video on and off so others can see you. When the meeting is finished, click the red Leave button. Then you will leave the Zoom meeting. How to use Zoom on your phone. First, open your email and find the Zoom invitation. Open your email app on your phone. In your email, you see this, a Zoom email invite. Tap on it. You see this, the invitation to the Zoom meeting. Here is the day of the meeting, December 31st, 2022. And the time of the Zoom meeting is 12 p.m. Tap on the blue link to join the Zoom meeting. Tap the link. You see this, waiting for the host to start this meeting. So you wait. Waiting, waiting, waiting for the host. You are connected. Tap here to turn your microphone on and off so others can hear you. Tap here to turn your video on and off so others can see you. No Zoom on your phone? Download it. Go to your Zoom email invite. Tap on the email invite. Zoom meeting invite. You see this, the invitation to the Zoom meeting. Tap on the blue link. Join Zoom meeting. Tap on the download button. Tap on the install button. Don't tap here. Instead, go back to your email. In your email, in the Zoom meeting invite, tap the blue link. Type your name here and tap OK. Tap, got it. Tap, allow. You are connected. Tap here to turn your microphone on and off so others can hear you. Tap here to turn your video on and off so others can see you. You have connected to your Zoom meeting.